Are you looking for a simple, fast, and free way to convert HTML into PDF? Introducing the HTML to PDF Converter by OutrightCRM, your go-to solution for clean, instant document conversion. Whether you're a developer saving web previews, a marketer exporting designs, or a student capturing HTML reports, this tool is perfect for you and no sign-up required. Go to OutrightCRM.com, our HTML to PDF converter. You'll see a clean and minimal interface designed for productivity. Simply copy your HTML code, it can be plain or complex, and paste it into the input area provided. Whether it's a form, table, styled document, or an entire page, it handles all formats. Now hit that Convert to PDF button. In just a couple of seconds, your document will be generated. Once the conversion is complete, a Download PDF button will appear. Click it to instantly download your newly converted PDF file to your device. That's it. No ads, no watermarks, and totally free. The output maintains the structure, styles, and layout of your HTML code, making it perfect for client documents, email templates, and reports. So the next time you need a quick, reliable HTML to PDF conversion, remember, OutrightCRM's free tool has got you covered. Free instant, no sign-up, 100% browser-based.